Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will talk writing about writing a good book review, and I will give short information about it. So let's clarify what is a book review itself. Uh, it's a written opinion of what you think of a certain book as well as an accompanying summary. So while you want to write a review, it means that you should give your opinion accordingly. So how we can recognize a good book review? It gives a statement telling the genre and what types of people would enjoy reading this book. Gives personal opinions and thoughts about the book and relates the book to your personal life by giving examples and gives a brief summary of what goes in the book, but not in giving away the final event. So here we want to tell that it's important to give the short information about the plot. So the writer should give short plot. Um, and the last one leaves the reader in suspense. So how we write the first paragraph? First paragraph follows the title and author. In the first paragraph, you will need to include the genre and what type of people the book is geared towards. The second paragraph, when you want to include your personal opinion. So the first paragraph is about the um, plot and short information about the book itself. For example, who was the actor and what kind of book was that. But in the second paragraph, you can give your opinion and by giving examples from your experience. This paragraph is strictly about you and your thoughts and enjoyment. So then homework will be kind of at the end of this part of the unit. You will put everything together for one grade. It doesn't so it doesn't have so many importance. Okay, what about the third paragraph? The third paragraph is the longest of all because you will give a descriptive yet brief summary of at least 9 sentences, but not more than 15. You must go through phases, phases 1 through uh, 3, and now we'll see it in the next slide. As can be seen from the planner, for your summary, you will need to design a phase planner. So the first one, talk about the main events. The second, talk about main events and the problems that occurred during the first part of the middle, and talk about the major problems. The third one is finding solution, leading to the solution. And the last one, you don't talk about this phase in your paragraph 3, but you must still plan it. First paragraph. This is your last required paragraph. Talk about the following. So we should describe the author, the purpose of the author, the words book has received, additional information about the book, and closing part. Remember that ever you write in the last paragraph is what most people will commonly remember. So it should be as much specific as possible. Then, after writing them in pieces, we should put them all together. Now you have a great report to be proud of that will count for a major part in your grade. I want this typed neatly in a readable font size 14. For example, it will be assignment for you. to do the task, I will put the deadline for it, specific deadline to do the assignment. Okay, next. I hope this video were useful for you. See you in our next videos. Goodbye.